Hello friends, welcome back to my online learning A to Z YouTube channel. In today's video, let us learn the English alphabet. A. A is for aeroplane. B. B is for baby. C. C is for car. D. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for fish. G. G is for girl. H. H is for horse. I. I is for insect. J. J is for jug. K. K is for kite. L. L is for lion. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for night. O. O is for owl. P. P is for parrot. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rainbow. S. S is for snake. T. T is for tree. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. W. W is for watermelon. X. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yarn. Z. Z is for zebra. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take care until next time. Bye.